I'll teach you how to make your own hairspray for massive hair growth. Bookmark this video so you don't lose this recipe. To begin, add cloves to a bowl. Rich in antioxidants, cloves improve hair health, adds shine, and combat scalp infections that can hinder growth. Now, add rosemary. This improves blood circulation to the scalp, stimulates hair follicles, and reduces hair loss through its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Next, add fenugreek. This contains proteins and nicotinic acids that strengthen hair, reduce shedding, and stimulates new hair growth. Add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. This enhances blood circulation to the scalp, promoting faster hair growth and preventing hair breakage. Add a cup of hot water to help release the essential nutrients from our ingredients, making the infusion more potent for hair growth. We'll cover the bowl and let it infuse for 24 hours. After 24 hours, strain the mixture to remove any solid bits. Your hair growth spray is now ready to use. If you like more hair growth recipes, type yes, I need more. Thank you very much.